And we're live. You killed the police car. And Bob?
I killed the police car?
I don't know. Who cares?
Betty's dead. Wait. That. If this is Betty, who's this?
That's Bob.
No. It's not.
Clarence? Frank?
It's Betty's sister.
Betty's sister, Bertha.
She was smart enough to take her mask off while she was playing hockey with the police officer. Duh.
So then why not now, huh?
I got hit in the head with a puck and forgot.
We're gonna...
Also the fact that she's holding a stolen jewel.
Day 18 or something?
Well, 19.
19. Today is day 19.
Okay.
You killed her!
Okay. You lost her skate. Oh. Okay. Earlier she had just fallen down.
Cancer survivor.
Where's her other skate?
It's under the police car.
Oh, I got the jewel.
You know how much trouble that was just to put it on her hand?
Oh boy. You killed the workbench.
I stopped caring.
Well, that's sad. It's very sad.
Well, which direction do they go on? Shoot.
The point goes forward.
What's the point?
The curved end.
That's not what I meant by the point. And she still can't stand up. Oh, okay. God, please grant me patience. Give me that. She won't survive him dumping the things out. But anyway. Woo-wee. Well,
I killed Tom.
welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Dave.
Nick.
Can we start that over again?
Which part?
The whole thing.
Really?
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Nick.
Welcome back, Carter.
I can't.
Put a happy face on. Jingle your bells.
You're being obnoxious.
That's what he did best.
Have you watched any of our videos? Obnoxious is what we do.
Stop, Nick.
Okay, somebody's in a mood. Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Dave.
Nick.
John.
I thought he was gone. Wasn't sure there for a minute. So, John over here says that day 18 was mine. Which means 19 is his. Get your hands off of here. Get,
It cuts off.
I think we probably ought to roll those credits because I'm having to fight to keep this box out of his hands. He's so excited. I mean, you can tell the excitement just pouring from John over there.
Nope.
Don't start that again.
I'd rather not.
So, as you know, we are working our way through the Lego City Advent Calendar. And we're on day 19. And
You killed Tom.
we're going to get going now. Be right back.
Move.
Go. Day 19.
Oh,
He
gee.
broke the whole box. He broke the
Why
whole
would you
box.
do that?
Oh my.
Two violins. Violins.
Okay. It's a really big piece of equipment that has a small snow shovel on it. Wouldn't it be easier to just use the snow shovel?
Oh, hey, it's a truck.
It is a truck.
Hey.
No, there's no hay. It looks like it's snow. If there was hay, you wouldn't have to worry about scraping the snow because it would give you something to drive on. Can he do it? That's the question. I'm not real confident, actually, because John just didn't seem to be all there. I don't know if y'all noticed. He was kind of like a personality. But he is wanting to just jump in and get it going, so maybe he'll come to life over there. You can do this, man. You can do it. Day 19. Do you realize that that means there are only 6 days until Christmas? If you haven't got your Christmas shopping done,
I suggest you do it now.
probably too late.
Everything's sold out already.
Well, I mean, tomorrow's Monday. You've only got, what, 4 more shopping days? Could count Saturday as a shopping day if you snuck out really early, but
Wait, tomorrow's Monday?
isn't it? Well, let's see. What day is this? I'm pretty sure this is Sunday, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See? I'm not crazy.
No?
Not on this channel anyway.
No, it's like...
Ever since he's been out of school, he can't seem to get his days straight.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm getting my numbers wrong.
Yeah, you're getting your numbers wrong. Don't you remember the holiday party last night?
I'm just hopelessly
Today
lost.
is the 19th.
Okay. I'm just hopelessly lost today.
It'll be all right. Christmas will be here, and I'll guarantee you, he will know what day it is on Christmas Day. May not know the day of the week, but he'll know it's Christmas Day. Are you done over there yet? See what I mean? All that work for just one little snow shovel scraper thing?
Yeah, I guess so. And it doesn't even work.
He's already broken it. Not even out of the shop yet.
Wait. Langston.
Oh, did we fix it?
Turd.
No, he's supposed to clean up the turd.
Wait, is that
it's
actually
It's a super duper turd scooper. It is an actual turd, isn't it? Ew.
I actually don't know how this even works.
Well, it
Could be cake.
yeah, but why would you use a shovel to get up cake?
I don't know.
I mean,
Turd
it's all
that elevated.
it's all a matter of whether you put the cake on the table or if it's on the ground. If it's on the ground, it's a turd.
I actually have no idea what I'm doing. But I think I'm doing it right. Give me just 1 second.
Are you going to put the turtle on the table? Hey, look, now it's a cake. Either that or one of the dogs got on the table.
Done.
It's done. We have a super duper pooper scooper.
2 turds. Hey, place it here.
Yeah.
2 turds.
Uh-oh. That doesn't work.
2 turds.
Wait, there's 2 turds?
Yep. 2 turds.
Oh, boy.
We can have one for family dinner.
Hey, we can have one as a cake and one as a... Okay.
It's a funny
So-
hat.
I have to ask you,
No.
really, people, what were the Lego people thinking? I mean, really? Why would you build this big thing to scoop up poop?
It's dirt. We eat dirt.
Either way, you put a big shovel on the end of a backhoe. It just doesn't make sense. Well, who knows what we'll be building tomorrow? Luckily, it's next day,
He'll be
day
building a turd.
20.
Okay.
We'll see y'all in the morning. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Oh,
Bye.
Bye.
No.
Oh.
no.
Now I'm feeling like Weekend at Bernie's here. You know, the corpse
Bye.
falling over on me.
Hello. Hello.
Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.